In this tutorial, I am going to explain how to install SQL Server Management Studio on Windows operating system. So to download this software, open your favorite browser and type free download SQL Server Management and click enter. You can see there are a lot of links appear, so you have to click on the first link. Okay, so you will appear this web page, and I will add this URL in the description sections of this video. So simply scroll down, slowly scroll down, then you can see there is a hyperlink to download SQL Server Management Studio SSMS 18.9.1. You have to click on that uh, link, then automatically it will download your setup. So it's about 635 MB. So based on your internet bandwidth, it will download. Basically, SQL Server Management Studio is the query editor for the SQL Server. So once you install your SQL Server, definitely you should have the query editor. So using that query editor, you can connect to the databases remotely as well as the locally. So simply you have to give the server names and the username and the password, then you can log into the database server. So I think within few seconds it will download, then I will explain how to install on the Windows operating system. Okay, now I think we have downloaded successfully. So click on this button and show in folders. So you can see download setup file is there. So it's about 650 MB. So simply right click on the exe file and click select run as administrator. Now you can see this is the installation result. So simply you can point to your installation locations. I'm not changing the installation locations and keep as default locations. Then you have to click on the uh, installation button. Now we have successfully installed the SQL Server Management Studio with Azure Data Studio. So setup has completed. So you can click on the close button. Then you can open the Management Studio by searching the search uh, area. So SQL Server, you can see this is the software we have installed earlier. So click on this menu. Then it will open the SQL Server Management Studio 18.9.1 version. Now you can see it will open the SQL Server Management Studio. Now we will see how to connect to the SQL Server. So the previous video I have explained how to download and install the SQL Server 2019 version. So if you have any issues with that, you can watch that video. So already I have installed that software. I'm going to connect to that database through this Management Studio. So to connect to the database, you have to click on the connect button in the left hand side. Then you can see there are six options. So to connect to the database engine, you have to select the first option, which is database engine. Okay, then you have to give this your database name. So my database name is the uh, machine name. So I have given this name for the database server name. So I can remember the essay password. So I will give essay as the username, and I will give the password. So in your case, if you don't have that password for the SQL for the SA user, you can use Windows authentication for the login. But when you are installing your SQL server, you have to give that option. If not, you can't log in as the Windows authentication. Anyway, you can click on the connect button. Then you can see successfully I have connected to the databases, and all the databases has listed under this server. So hope you have clear with this uh, installation. So if you have any questions, you can put on the comment sections, and if you have any issues with the SQL Server 2019 installations, you can watch my previous video. I will share that link in the description sections also. Thank you.